now.
Making sure everybody was okay.
Mike got out and was helping Rick down a ledge real quick.
So were you telling me to move to the left? Yeah, you got a disc smasher just under your right front tire, so turn left.
But you're off of it now. The bounce has got you on it.
Yep, left front tire's on it now. You can drop off it.
Spending late nights in the shop. My bank account's drained, but I'm getting new shots. And I'm hoping that she'll be ready for tomorrow's parade. I ain't got time for no masquerades. Putting in work so that I can go play. Just waiting for the weekend, and I pray it comes quick. It's a cheap thing. Let's take a ride, then you'll understand. Get some wind in your hair, you'll forget to care. Top down with your hands in the air. It can be red, green, or blue, whatever color will do. Only thing to be said for me and you is it's a cheap thing. Yeah, it's a cheap thing. Yeah, I can help pull out your truck. Might get a little muddy, but we'll never be stuck. Don't matter the time. We ride, rain or shine. She may not turn on a dime, but she'll never back down from a steep incline. Let's hit a trail, and I'll show you real quick. 'Cause it's a cheap thing. Let's take a ride, then you'll understand. You'll get some wind in your hair, you'll forget to care. Top down with your hands in the air. It can be red, green, or blue, whatever color will do. Only thing to be said for me and you is it's a cheap thing. Yeah, it's a cheap thing. Frank, oh, we ain't all just gears and lights. We will for those in the fight of their lives. So grab your beer, your whiskey, your wine. Let's kick up some mud and we'll have a good time. Here's why. It's a cheap thing. Let's take a ride, then you'll understand. We'll get some wind in your hair, you'll forget to care. Top down with your hands in the air. It can be red, green, or blue, whatever color will do. Only thing to be said for me and you is it's a cheap thing. Yeah, it's a cheap thing. Oh, it's a cheap thing. Yeah, it's a cheap thing.
What's up,
Thank
sirs?
you so much.
Nope, stop.
Sorry, I was going no brakes.
Hard driver, there you go. Straighten it out. Go passenger. A little more passenger. There you go. I'm watching that back tire. I'm watching your back tire. You're good. Belly rub. It's good for it.